What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the financial channel. My name is Kyle and we are going to be going over what is a dividend. A lot of newbies in the markets do not know what a dividend stock is or what a dividend is. So in this video, we're going to be going over what exactly is a dividend, how can you get a dividend, what stocks pay dividends, and so forth. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you guys want to see more Robinhood or just stock market videos in general, make sure to subscribe and let's go ahead and get into it. So a dividend is a sum of money that a company pays to its shareholders from its profits. So let me go ahead and show you some of my dividend stocks that I'm actually scheduled to get paid from. So right now I am actually on the Robinhood brokerage, and let me go ahead and show you what stocks that are paying me dividends right now. So if I go to account, if I go to my history, we can see up here, I have 3 dividends right now that are paid to me. They're not substantial amounts. Actually, my biggest dividend paying stocks have not paid the dividend, but dividends can be paid quarterly, meaning every 3 months. They can also be paid every single month. So there's some companies that actually pay dividends every single month, and there's some companies that pay quarterly. So these stocks right here actually pay quarterly. So we'll go ahead and go to Intel. I own 1 Intel share and it pays 31 cents per share roughly. So you get it's 32 cents. They just rounded it up. So 32 cents a share right here. We used to own AbbVie. We actually got out of it, but I still think this company is at a good value right now. May have to pick up some more shares. But as you can see, we used to own 4 shares of AbbVie, and we are getting $1.07 per share. So total being $4.28. And then we go down to British American Tobacco. We owned 1 share, and the amount that was given per share was 66 cents. So this is just an example of some of the dividends that you can get. But like I said, my portfolio, these are actually from small positions, but I actually do own 16 shares of Johnson & Johnson. So that will be a healthy dividend right there. They pay I believe it's a 2.78% dividend yield on their stock. So at the end of the year, I will be getting a 2.7% dividend on the share price, and I'll be getting a nice chunk of change there. But over time, the dividends will start to add up. It's going to I see this in a lot of dividend investing YouTube channels. It takes a while for your dividends to actually start seeming like they're actually really working for you. It's going to take a while. You have to just wait for it, and eventually one day it will snowball. But if you're young like me, I'm 22 years old. I prefer, if you're young, just to have your stocks diversified. So don't just go. Some people just like to go for dividend stocks, but I obviously can't tell you what to do. But I'll tell you what I'm doing. Since I'm so young, I can be a little more risky and aggressive. So I actually buy a lot of dividend stocks, but I also buy a lot of stocks that don't pay dividends, but I think they're going to do good in the future, like PayPal. Let's see another one that I own that doesn't pay a dividend. Facebook, Alibaba, JD.com. So some of these stocks right here are Nvidia. Actually, Nvidia does pay a dividend, but it's like really, really small. It's like 5 cents a share or like 60 cents a share. It's nothing. Or like AMD, they don't pay a dividend. So I own some stocks that don't pay dividends, but I do own some that pay dividends. But this is just an example. So, like I said, some stocks pay quarterly and some stocks pay every single month. Actually, a matter of fact, while we're making this video, I will show you a couple stocks that pay every single month. This is Realty Income. This is a real estate fund, guys. So every single month you will be getting a payment in the form of a dividend from the stock. They have a 4.19% dividend yield. So every single month you will be getting a nice little chunk of change, guys. Very solid company. I want to buy this stock, but if you look, it's kind of it's actually not too bad right now, but I still would wait for a little dip. But I do want to add positions to this stock. This stock is a great stock. Another one I think is SPHD. Another monthly dividend paying stock is SPHD. I like the price that this ticker symbol is trading at right now. It's trading at $40.53. As you can see, for the week, it's down about 4%. I'm making this video after the Monday that we had. That was a terrible day in the market. I actually lost about $230, or my portfolio went down about $230 that day. It was a terrible day in the market, 6th worst day ever in the Dow Jones. But I'm not a financial expert, guys. Make your own decisions when it comes to buying stocks. I'm just sharing you guys my opinion. I'm not trying to make you guys make a decision based on my advice. Do your own research, do your own learning, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.